Here's another video about affiliate marketing. I want to give you guys some affiliate marketing examples. I want to show you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok. But first, I'm gonna show you one of the programs that I use to make money on TikTok, and it's called Savings Highway Global. It's a financial lifestyle membership. They offer all sorts of benefits. So if we scroll down, they have 3 different memberships depending on what you're going for in your lifestyle. To the right, we have the $20, which a lot of people start here. You know, you have discounts on hotels, travel, dining, shopping, entertainment, and some credit repair benefits as well. You have the platinum, which you have those same things, and you have family legal plan. You see it right there, more travel assistance, the mentorship, and then one of the biggest, popular packages, just because what it has is everything that we mentioned. Plus, if we scroll down, you have exclusive travel agent pricing, free 24 doctors on call, which is teledoc, free 24-hour roadside assistance, discounts on dental, vision, savings on prescriptions, financial hotline, financial tax preparation. If we scroll down, more exclusive vacationing, grocery savings, more credit repair, and a call center if you want to refer this membership. So that's just from a customer standpoint. So, I resell these memberships to whoever needs them. This is an exclusive membership. You're not going to find this on TV. You're not just going to find this scrolling around. This is an exclusive membership that I became affiliate for. So on a customer level, I get people these memberships. But as a bonus for grabbing these memberships, you can offer these memberships to your friends. Everyone has an affiliate program now. The difference is these affiliate programs pay more life-changing income. So 50% commission. So $10 if you offer a gold membership, 50 platinum, and 100 if you offer the biggest membership. And these are monthly, so it's going to be residual income. I want you guys to understand residual income, meaning if people get this service, just like you go out and get Netflix, every month you pay your Netflix, someone is getting compensated. So you have a software that people need. The demand is high. Meaning people are going to keep these softwares. So imagine you keep going out here and referring on TikTok and referring, anywhere, and more people every single month get this membership. So your residual income is just going to compound, meaning you'll start off from something as low as $10, and you might have something coming in that's $900, $2,000, $2,500. No income guaranteed, but I just want you to understand how this is not your average, 9 to 5 type of work. When you work your 9 to 5, you get paid for your hours and whatever that hourly rate is. Here, there's no cap on your income, and you get paid weekly. But as people pay their membership, you're going to get paid again. So it's a way different concept that people just don't comprehend. But if we scroll over on TikTok, I have a new account that I just made. They closed my account that I had that was 5,000, so I just made this account. So pretty much we show you how to make simple videos. And let's just do one, for example.
How to get a software for $20, and we're going to show you how to promote this software to thousands of people a day right from your phone. I'm doing it real time. So if you're just tired of the rat race, tired of trying to climb up the ladder at work, check out this website.
And this is a very simple way to do it, and we just stay consistent. Can we agree that there's many people out there looking to make money online, looking for remote programs? It's just a matter of getting your opportunity in front of them. Yes, we show you how to make more efficient videos, but it's really just about being yourself and getting the content out there. And then we repurpose this on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and we just do it on a consistent basis, and we show you some other marketing on the back end, so you don't have to put all your eggs into something just like TikTok. And that's really simple affiliate examples. It's this concept, and you can do it with any product or service. So you're going to learn some stuff in our team. We have a system set up. You're going to learn some stuff that's going to be able to help you to market any product. So don't just think you have to promote Savings Highway Global forever. This is going to be for any product, whether it's Amazon, anything. It's going to be the same concepts. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below what you liked about the video, guys. Have a good one.